Alright folks, welcome to yet another Barry Science Lab tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail, kind of like this one. This looks really cool. How do you make it? I'm going to show you today step by step and really slowly so you can follow along. Let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is open a new tab by clicking this plus sign. Let me click the plus sign. Okay, I clicked the plus sign and now I'm in a new tab. Now I'm going to go to google.com. How do I go to Google? Let me show you. I'm just going to type here google.com and hit enter and we're at Google. Now I have to type in Canva. That's kind of like Photoshop but for YouTube. And I'm going to click Canva. Now what I'm going to do is go to the search box in Canva and type in YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and I'm gonna click the first results and I'm gonna click blank. Okay, if I'm going too fast or too slow, go ahead and slow down or speed up the video, whatever you like. Now what I'm gonna do is get a picture of myself. So I already have a picture somewhere here. I want to use this picture. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take it and drop it here. Pretty easy, right? But wait a minute. Look at my picture. It has a background. I don't like a background. I don't want people to see my home. What can I do? I'm going to remove the background. Let me show you how. Once again, click the plus sign to open a new tab and type in remove.bg. So this is going to let us delete our background really easily. So I'm going to go back to my file and drag and drop my picture that I want to erase the background of. Now you see there's no background. So I'm going to right click, copy image, go back to Canva, delete this because I don't want this anymore. And I'm going to Command V. So press Command and press V at the same time. And wow, you see I popped up. Okay folks, now I'm going to make myself bigger. Do you see this arrow? I'm going to use it to make myself bigger. But I don't want myself pointing this way. I want myself pointing that way. What can I do? Well, here's what I can do. I'm going to click flip, horizontal. Okay, we're almost there. Now I need a background that people are going to like. I like confetti, so maybe people are going to like that. Let's go to a new tab. So, no more plus sign it seems, but now there's a plus sign. And I'm going to type in confetti background. Okay, I'm going to click images and let's see which one do I like. I like this one. I don't know, it looks really nice. So I'm going to right click and click copy image. Not too hard, right? And then I'm going to go back to Canva and press Command V. Wow, look at that. There's a lot of confetti. But hey, it's covering me up. I don't want the picture to cover me up. So what can I do? Well, I can just click outside and I'll come up on top. If that doesn't work, here's what you can do. Okay? You can go ahead and click yourself, click position, and hey, it seems like I've got to go to the other side now. So click yourself, click position, and you can hit forwards or backwards, whatever you want. Okay? Now what am I going to do? I don't want the background to be so distracting. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click adjust and I'm going to blur my background just a little bit, just so that the focus is on me. Then I'm going to make myself look kind of flashy. So what can I do? I can click filter and I'm going to click epic. That's not too epic. Festive. Hit it all the way up. Click adjust. Adjust the brightness. Make the contrast higher, increase the saturation. All right, and then I'm just gonna rotate myself by clicking this icon over here. And wow, that doesn't look too bad. Now I just need a few cars, maybe some Lamborghinis. So let's go back to Google and type in Lamborghini. Okay, so let's see, which one do I like? Let me take this Lamborghini. Again, what do I have to do to take the picture? I have to right click, hit copy image, and then go to my background remover and paste the image by pressing Command V. Okay, now the image has no background and I can copy it. Right click, copy image. Go back to Canva and I can put my image by pressing Command V. Okay, wow, that looks really good. Okay, so now what can I do? Well, now I can just, make it look really whatever I want it to look like. Right, here's my car. So it looks like I'm pointing at my car, but I want this to be about math. So I'm gonna make this video about car addition. So I'm gonna put one car here, but I want another car. So I'm gonna hit copy, and then I'm gonna hit paste. So now I have two cars, but I want an addition sign between them. So what can I do? Well, let me first make my cars smaller. So here's a small car and a small car. And now I want to add those cars so that I get two Lamborghinis. Okay, so I'm going to click text, and let's see, is there any text I like? Which one of these texts do I want? I know there's one of these that I used to like. Rodeo, James and Katie, player 1. Yeah, let's go for player 1. And instead of player 1, I'm going to write car math, because we're doing math, but with cars. But you can see that the text is blocking my face. So what can I do? Here's what I can do. I'm going to click the text, click position, and go backwards. Again and again. And now you see that the text is behind my head. Okay, and how do I put the plus sign? Well, again, I'm going to click this and delete whatever text they put and put plus. And now I have my thumbnail. I can make my cars a little bit bigger. I can make my font size flashier. But, hopefully by now you have the basics, and hopefully by now you know how to make your own thumbnail. Alright, folks? So hopefully this looks like this one. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.